welcome back to Keep It Rio. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys like all my videos from Brazil. If you haven't, go check it out. But this video, we're back to America, Los Angeles, California, and it's time to finally organize and decorate my house. So we're gonna go to a bunch of stores today, like Home Goods, Home Depot, Ikea, maybe Costco, and I'm gonna show you guys everything. We made a full list of everything I need for the house, and I can't wait to show you guys. First up today, we're going to Ikea. So the list of the things me and my mom did, we separated by categories. So obviously we're in Ikea, so probably like furniture. I need to look for a desk, a nightstand, a futon for the balcony. É futon que fala?
Futon.
Futon?
Futon.
Mom, Mom, say hi.
Hi.
She's visiting me. And a coffee table. We definitely need lamps. I need a lamp for the living room. I need a lamp for my room. I think that's it. So let's go to Ikea. So this thing would be nice to put in the balcony, but it's too big for my balcony. Welcome to your house. Not China, Sweden. Welcome to my kitchen. This is We're gonna, like do a cooking today here at my fancy kitchen. I don't know how and my mom ever lived together before because we have a different type of couch and everything. I like black and leather and fancy, and she likes comfy. Beach style. Mom, new bed.
I love this bench.
Ai, essa cozinha dos sonhos. One of the things I need is lamp. I was thinking about something like this here, but white, or something like this, but with this on. I can't find anything I like here. I'm very disappointed. Só tem esses. Priscila Ferrari também tá feliz não. Tem que comprar tudo online. Tudo online. I definitely needed a place to put my sunglasses and stuff, so I think this is different. It's a little bit more stylish, and it's only quanto é? $14,99. $14.99. Pretty much we only found the furniture for my bathroom where I can put my blow dryer, straightener, brushes and everything. The rest of it, the desk that I want it's glass, so they don't have it in store. Probably they have it online, so I'm gonna try to look it online. And the coffee table that I want as glass as well, they don't have it. So everything's gonna be online, or I'm gonna find it somewhere else. So pretty much didn't find anything. But it's a really fun place to come and see and have ideas for house decor. So here they have one of the best rugs and bathroom rugs, but we passed the rug, so we're going against all the arrows and against the flow and going all the way back. It's gonna be a lot of walking. So when you come here, you gotta pay attention and make sure you're looking, because it's really easy to get distracted because everything's so pretty. So you start looking for things you actually don't need and then forget the things you need. It's already so hot in here, but the good thing of coming back all the way back, remember I was saying that has no lighting options because we didn't pass through the light, or we did pass and we didn't notice. I'm between this one, which I think is very modern. I think it's beautiful, but guys, this one is like having a studio home. I feel like I have a Hollywood set at home. I think it'll be so nice. It will match. I don't know. I think I'm gonna take it. I think this is gonna be a fun lighting to have it at home. Every time I turn on the camera, I'm looking differently. But we made it to the bathroom rugs, getting one of this because my floor is already gray and I have all the carpets that are gray. So I'm gonna get the wet one. What are you doing?
Não, então, esse seria para debaixo da pia, né?
Ah, peraí. Esse pra debaixo da pia. A lot of thinking. Olha que lindo, ele fica em pezinho. Ai, go. Tan, 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 tan. I love technology. So any furniture that you like, you need to take picture, and you especially gotta take picture of this little code, because at the end of the day, when you exit the store, that's where you pick up the furniture, so you build on your own, and it's separated by aisles and bins. So this is aisle 9.
Usually you're not that lucky. But
it's not that easy, usually. But it's my lucky day. Cadê? Well, here we have the number and everything wrong, but in the little picture, it is what we want. So let's hope that it is. I think it is. Usually it is more organized, so fail to train. Finally leaving Ikea with this beautiful sunset. Today was rainy, had thunderstorm during the night, and we're gonna get some food because it's 6 p.m. and we haven't eaten. Tá com fome?
Yes.
Vamos comer. Second stop. This store is huge. So many clothes. Like, I don't think I would ever be able to shop clothes here because you gotta go through one by one. We are going straight to the, what is it called? Home decor. What? Gold! For my room. Yay! So Ross is a famous store. It's like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. It's kind of like all the old collection from like famous brand stores. They send all the old collection here and sell for cheaper. Like we find Nike clothes, you can find Ralph Lauren, Michael Kors, like any type of brand you can find it here. But they have really good selection for home decor stuff. And I just found my dream carpet, rug, whatever. It's pink and it has glitter on it. You guys can look at the glitter. I'm debating if I'm gonna put this in the living room or in the bedroom. If it's in the bedroom, we're gonna get a smaller one. If it's gonna be in the living room, that's gonna be a bigger one. But I wanna buy, like my old apartment, a white one. Too many decisions, guys. I wish I was doing this on Instagram so you guys could help me out. But I'm gonna do it. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go follow now. Gente, chega aqui, eu quero levar tudo isso aqui de pelo. Tudo isso aqui, ó. O que eu queria era esse, né? Bem de perua. Porque eu sou perua e eu tô nem aí. Sou brega. Mas ia ficar demais com esse tapete rosa brilhoso. Então eu já escolhi o menos chamativo. Mas olha esse escândalo aqui, cara.
Olha isso pra encostar.
Ó, mamãe, qual é o seu tamanho?
É pra encostar.
Olha esse, que lindo! And we walk. Thank you. This is the third stop of the day. We came to Home Depot, probably the last because we were exhausted. Ikea took everything from us. I'm looking here for wallpapers for the wall. Duh, wallpaper. E o que mais? Hangers for shelf. Screws. Brackets for the shelf. And I think that's it for the first vlog of getting my home together. Okay guys, good morning. Yesterday you guys went shopping with me. I'm gonna show you guys everything I bought. I'm gonna buy pillows and trucks so it look better. And I'm gonna clean the couch so it looks better and nice until I have money to buy a new couch. This is started here and then it was here and then it moved here because I said I did not. This is the entire living room. Minha mãe tá puta que eu mostrei a mala pra vocês. Ficou puta, tá assim, tinha que ter fechado.
I'm a man.